आज आपण त्रिकोणासंबंधी महत्वाचं पहिलं प्रमेय बघूया. द सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 180. त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व कोणांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते असं सिद्ध करूया. पण we draw triangle ABC that is given any triangle ABC to show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C measures sum is equal to 180. So for that let us draw a line through point A which is parallel to BC. आपण A मधून BC ला समांतर रेषा L काढू. That is your construction. Draw line L parallel to BC through point A. Suppose this is angle X and consider this is angle Y. By using this construction, let us try to prove that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. See that we know that by construction, this is by construction, and if line L and BC are parallel and AB is transversal, definitely B and X are alternate angles. So angle B that is equal to angle X, alternate angles. Similarly, again L is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. That is by construction. So C angle and angle Y, again they are alternate angles. So angle C is equal to angle Y. Reason alternate angles. Now if we add 1 and 2 together, left hand side plus left hand side, B plus C, it will be equal to X plus Y by adding 1 and 2. Now very interesting point. We have to calculate A plus B plus C. So let us add angle A by adding angle A to left hand side. You know the rule of equation. समीकरणाचा नियम आपल्याला माहिती आहे. Same thing we can add to both sides. एकच गोष्ट दोन्ही बाजूला समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला ऍड करू. सो बाय ऍडिंग A प्लस अँगल X प्लस अँगल Y, व्हॉट इज दॅट? अँगल A ऍडिंग टू बोथ साइड्स. A is added, A plus B plus C. Now very interesting, A plus X plus Y. What is that? A plus X plus Y. You are getting the total angle X plus A plus Y. You know that it is linear pairs in, what is that? Linear pair. So total must be 180. So what is the right hand side? It is 180. So ultimate last step, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So this is very interesting theorem for you. आणि हा थेरम चांगला तयार करायचा आहे आपल्याला बाय युजिंग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पॅरलल लाईन, अल्टरनेट अँगल्स.